Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shireen and I hope you're doing well. So today's video is about my Indigo Airlines in-person cabin crew interview experience. And that interview was on 4 July 2026. So in today's video, I will talk about my interview experience, which questions I was asked and how many candidates were in the interview. Let's start the video. A cabin crew aspirant requested me to make a video on this topic, but I was not feeling well. I was having fever. That's why I couldn't make that video immediately, but here I am. So let's talk about this video. So when I went for the interview, I was thinking that they will conduct two rounds, BMI and in-person interview, because we have already cleared our communication round. But when we reached on the interview location, they briefed us that they will conduct three rounds. First is GD, second is BMI, and third in-person interview, final interview. Like in-person and final interview is the same. So I was I was waiting to start the interview. They were calling two candidates at once, and when my turn came, we two girls went for the interview. We said greeted to the interviewer, and then she asked us to give us our resume to her. So firstly, I gave my resume to the HR, and then she looked at my resume, and I mentioned in my skills, one of my skill is teamwork. I mentioned teamwork. So she put a question from there. She asked me. So first question she asked me, can you tell me about teamwork and you worked extremely well as a team with an example. So because I had mentioned teamwork in my skills, so that's why I was asked this question, and I gave my answer accordingly. I gave my answer best of my experience, and I connected my answer actually with my experience, because I have already worked as a customer service executive with Indigo Airlines in past 2 years. So I related my answer with my experience, which did. So I made my question with my experience, because I am already experienced in customer service department as a ground staff with Indigo Airlines. So I connected my answer with my experience, that how I was good when I faced a challenge on boarding gate once we were doing boarding for Kathmandu flight, and I elaborated my answer accordingly, and I connected my answer with my experience. So this was the first question I was asked, and second question she asked me, can you tell me, she asked me that where are you from. So because I am from Delhi, so I said that I am from Delhi. Then she asked me, can you tell me a good thing about Delhi which you like, and one thing which you don't like about Delhi. So I gave my answer as per my knowledge. I gave my answer. So these two questions I was asked, and I believe that I was quite confident. I was smiling. I was trying to hide my nervousness, which I said in previous vlog as well, that whenever you feel nervous, guys, just try to hide your nervousness through a smile. So I tried to come across as a confident person. So yes, that's how I gave my answer. I wanted to mention about interview location as well, but I think that should be confidential, because they are inviting people and they also don't want to disclose their location. And even if we disclose their interview location, we are not allowed to go there if we are not invited, because if we reach there, they make sure that we have interview have invitation. So I want to keep it confidential. I don't want to talk about interview location. So the third question is, how many candidates were there in the interview? I don't remember the exactly count, and I didn't count the candidates, but as much as I can recall and I have remember, there were, I guess, 100 candidates in the interview. Yes. So guys, if you clear your online assessment, please be prepared for group discussion as well. Don't expect that they will conduct only 2 rounds, BMI and in person. They can conduct 3 rounds, like group discussion, BMI and in person interview. So you prepare yourself very well and you prepare for any kind of situation or steps or procedure, because we don't know, they do change their procedures. We just need to prepare whatever happened there. We just need to be confident. And if I talk about my result, as I have mentioned in my short video, that I got rejected in the JD round. However, it's okay, it's fine. Rejection is the part of the success, it's part of, like, it makes us stronger. So we don't need to focus on that negative part, that we are getting rejected. That's completely okay. However, we need to evaluate that if we are not giving fully, like a good performance, or if we are not doing things completely and extremely good. So in that sense, or in that I think way, I'll say that if you find that you are doing something wrong, whether it's communication skills, grooming, or any another thing, if you think you are lacking, so prepare yourself, boost yourself, and stand out in their eligibility, so that you will not have any regret that you know you cannot make it, or something is, yeah, like you need to work more. If you think you need to work more, try to work more. Don't wait for it, just give efforts, put efforts, give your best, and I hope one day we will all make it. I wish for you, I wish for myself, and I really believe that hard work always pays off. So just give your best. And yeah, I just hope that one day we will all make it. And guys, if you like my content, if you like the way I'm putting information in vlogs and all, then I'll request you to please subscribe this channel. It will give me motivation to make such videos. And I work to make a video for you, because in this way I'm also learning, and simultaneously I'm motivating you and I'm motivating myself. So please subscribe this channel. I love you guys. And please prepare yourself. Don't focus on negative part, just focus on positive part. So yeah, bye, thank you.